Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Daisy Rolin B. Olamit. I'm going to demonstrate the proper way of hand washing. Hand washing is a physical removal of visible dirt. When to hand wash? Before and after eating, before and after going to the bathroom, before and after doffing and donning of the gloves, before and after taking care of the patient, before and after also handling with the sterile materials. So first, if you have any jewelry, remove it immediately. And then if you are wearing also long sleeve, pull up to the elbow and then stay away a little bit to the sink to avoid wetting the garments. So first, get the tissue, open the faucet, adjust the flow of the water and the temperature, then discard. Then initial wash. Then add soap using your hand and then make a lather, apply friction, and then initial wash, then put soap again using your elbow and then make a lather, then get the orange stick, rinse, and then clean each under fingernails. Then rinse, then the other side, each under nails. Then rinse. Then if it is disposable, dispose, and if it's reusable, then put it back to the kidney basin. Then next, the brush, rinse, then clean each fingernails, then rinse, then the other side, each fingernails, then rinse, then the brush is still reusable, then put it back, and then add additional soap, then make a lather, apply friction, and now I'm going to demonstrate the different kinds of strokes in hand washing. First, do the palm to palm. Palm of the back of your hand, apply friction, then the other side, apply friction, then interlacing, apply friction, then interlocking, apply friction, then the other side, apply friction, and then palm of your hand, apply friction, then the other side, apply friction, then each fingers, apply friction, then the other side, each fingers, apply friction, and then the wrist, transfer, then rinse properly up to the elbow, then make sure that your hand is above the elbow and then let it drip, then get the towel, then pad from your wrist down to the elbow, single stroke, then the other side from your wrist down to your elbow, then drop, and then get the tissue, then close the faucet, and then discard the tissue. Now I'm done.